students. I hope you are all safe at home. I am Mageshwari. You are watching EduStar Class 3 Science Lesson 6 Birds Part 4. In the previous session, we discussed about feet and claws of birds, right? Do you remember everything? Okay, let's recap. Birds use their feet and claws to catch food, to protect themselves, and to sit on tree branches. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. First, preying birds. Some flesh-eating birds have strong, sharp, and curved claws called talons that help them to catch their prey and tear flesh. Next, perching birds. These birds have slender claws with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. This helps them to perch or sit on high branches without falling. Then, scratching birds. These birds have hard and sharp claws with 3 long toes in front and a short toe at the back. Their hard claws help them to scratch the ground for insects and worms. Next, swimming birds. These birds have webbed feet. The 3 front toes are jointed by skin that looks like a verb and a toe at the back of the leg. This helps them to push back water while swimming. Then, wading birds. These birds have long and thin legs with wide-spread toes. These help them to walk through water in search of food. Finally, climbing birds. These birds have 2 toes that point forwards and 2 toes that point backwards. Such toes help them climb trees. Okay, children. Today we are going to learn about nests and parental care. Are you ready to listen? Let's start. A nest is a home of a bird. Nests are a shelter for their eggs and young ones. Birds lay their eggs in a nest. The eggs hatch and the young ones come out. The parent bird feeds the baby bird and protects it from enemies and bad weather until they learn to look after themselves and learn to fly. Birds build nests in all kinds of places. They are mostly made high up in trees, but some birds build nests on the ground also. Birds use a variety of things to build their nests. Cloth, leaves, straw, wool, threads, twigs, grass, feathers, cotton, and sometimes even mud to build their nests. Different birds make different kinds of nests. First, nests in holes. A woodpecker makes a hole in a tree trunk with its beak. The hole is used as a nest. Next, nests in rocks. Eagles make their nests on the higher branches of tall trees or on rocks. Their nests are called eyries. Then, a oven nest. A weaver bird uses grass, twigs, and leaves to weave a nest on a tree with its beak. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. It pulls the grass in and out with its beak as it weaves the nest. There is a tunnel-shaped opening for the bird to enter. Next, a stitched nest. A tailor bird makes its nest out of large-sized leaves. It uses its beak like a needle to stitch the leaves together using cotton threads or threads from a spider's web. That is why it is called a tailor bird. Then, nests on open ground. Penguins make their nests on the ground with a few stones or pebbles. This prevents the eggs from rolling away. This also protects them from melting ice. Do you know one thing? Kingfishers make a hole along the bank of a river and use it as a nest. And cuckoo is a very lazy and clever bird. It does not build its nest. It lays its eggs in the crow's nest and lets the mother crow look after its eggs. Most birds build nests when they have to lay eggs. When the nest is ready, the female lays eggs in it. Either the male or the female sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The baby birds grow inside the eggs. In a few days, the eggs break open and the baby birds come out. This is called hatching. Usually, they have no feathers and are blind. The parents look after them and feed them until they are ready to fly out. Once their young ones grow and fly away, birds do not use their nests. They build new nests when they have to lay eggs again. Most birds make a new nest every year. All those things show parental care of birds. Right, students? Okay, children, it's time to read. Take your science book. Turn page number 56. Lesson 6. Birds. Nests. Birds build nests to lay eggs and to protect them from enemies. When the eggs hatch, they raise their young ones in the nest till they are old enough to fly. The type, shape, and size of the nest varies from bird to bird. Birds use grass, twigs, feathers, pieces of paper, pieces of cloth, rags, and leaves to make their nests. Bird nests can be seen everywhere, on the sides of cliffs, on top of buildings, and sometimes in cool places inside houses. Some birds, such as lapwings, penguins, and ostriches, build their nests on the ground. The weaver bird weaves together leaves, grass, and twigs to build a nest with a tunnel-like entrance. The tailor birds build their nests by stitching two leaves together. A vulture makes its nest using sticks. The woodpecker uses its hard beak to ditch out holes in trees to make its nest. Now, checkpoint. Answer the following. See the first one. Name the birds that build a nest on the ground. Students, what the answer is? Yes, lapwings, penguins, ostriches. Number 2. What kind of nest does a tailor bird build? And the answer is, a tailor bird builds its nest by stitching two leaves together. Number 3. Where does a woodpecker live? And the answer is, a woodpecker makes a hole in a tree and lives in that hole. Now, turn the page number 58. Parental care. Most birds build nests to lay eggs and to protect their babies from enemies and harsh weather. They build nests in safe places where enemies cannot reach them. Birds lay eggs as soon as their nests are ready. The mother birds sit on the eggs to keep them warm. Once the eggs hatch, the parent birds go out in search of food for their young ones. The parent birds feed the young ones and look after them till the young ones are big enough to fly on their own. Get it right. In some birds, such as pigeons, both parents take turns to keep the eggs warm. In some birds, such as penguins, The father takes care of the eggs. Okay, children. Hope you understood today's class. Thank you, dear students.